Time for another vlog, my friends. And how else could we start a vlog when we're traveling with the M6 than to be on the petrol station, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to drive to the Nürburgring today, okay? So I'm very excited because we're going to meet somebody very special. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to reveal the guy in the video, right? And I wonder how much the M6 is going to consume. It's like 550 kilometers to drive. The fuel capacity is around 70 liters, and the M6 is very known to consume a lot of fuel. And the problem is, I won't take it easy. I plan to drive like somewhere along 170 to 200 kph all the time because I don't want to drive 5 hours. I want to reach there in like 4 hours maybe, and I'm not sure how much it's going to consume, right? So the problem is I need to find kind of the place where it consumes around 15 liters so I can manage to actually do like 450 to 500 kilometers before I have to fill it up one more time. So let's see how I do. It's going to be terrible vlog. Probably we're going to see each other in like 3 hours again. But here it is, 98, the good stuff, right? Into the M6. Ah, yeah. Always the same thing with this car. Oh! Good job. What time is it? Let me check. It's 12 o'clock, 12:27. Okay, let's turn around. All right, friends, it's 12:28 now. Okay, this is what it shows. Right? 544 kilometers. Maybe you can, that way. 4 hours and 57 seconds. I bet you, if it's free on the road, I can do it in 4 hours. Let's see, but I will fly. I think I'll take it serious. I've arrived in Germany. As you can see, the Autobahn is free. I mean, you know what I love about this country, man? I have 450 kilometers left to drive. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and I could clock it out in 2 hours if I'm lucky with the traffic. I mean, that's absolutely insane. You can just drive as fast as you want, no problem. You can just do it. But I wonder, I drove 123 kilometers now. The car is already consumed like 1/4 of the tank, typically M6, but I prefer to drive this car on the Autobahn because I love it. It's so comfortable, you can't hear anything, it's so good isolated. We have a CW of 0.32, which is absolutely fantastic for a car this size. Love it. Going to meet at the Nürburgring. And no, I'm not driving the M6 at the Nürburgring. I know a lot of you would love to see it. No. This is my baby. I want to keep this car forever. I'm not planning on selling it. I'll just buy other cars additionally. But I love it. I just love it too much. I don't want to do it. There's no need for it. It's 20 years old. Why would I do this? You know, almost 20 years old. It's going to be an old timer soon. So I don't want to do it. It's dumb for me. Maybe I'll buy a Porsche or something like that, and then we can talk about it. But nope, the M6 is not going on the Nürburgring. It will, though, be pushed on the Autobahn. So as soon as it opens up, I'll film a little more. You know what's funny to me? There's actually people believing that a car like this one that is tailoring the CLA 45S can beat the M6. You know, it's literally trying to beat the M6 on the Autobahn is like trying to beat a Tesla from a launch start, right? From zero. There's no chance whatsoever. It is a 5-liter V10, man, revving 8,400 RPMs. This car is born to drive on the Autobahn. It's incredible how stable it is. They have no chance whatsoever. I didn't race, but I accelerated at the same time, like AMG GT, what was it? GTC 63, right? GLC 63. It had no chance. Of course, it's a mini SUV, a small SUV, but still, you know, it had no chance, man. Although it had this really mighty engine, the 4-liter V8 B-turbocharged, it had no chance. It's just, the M6 is just an incredible machine on the Autobahn. And there is one little problem about it. You remember when I said, well, let's see how much kilometers I can actually do with one tank? Well, I did 340 kilometers now, and the car is almost empty. One fourth of the tank, or 1/5, let's 430 kilometers. Yeah, you won't do anything more than 450 kilometers with this car when you're driving a little bit faster. No chance, no chance, really not. Yep, so let's go fill up and we'll meet each other at the Nürburgring. Maybe I can give you a full speed, a full throttle acceleration, but it's really traffic out there. We have some space between us and the car in the front, so let's kick down. Okay, that's 210, 20, 30, 40, 250, shifting into next gear, 260, 270, and that's it. God damn it, man, god damn it. Oh, yeah, I mean, you saw how that worked, right? 275. Basically like nothing happened. It's just like clockwork, just going straight forward. It's insane, it's insane. And the CLA just reached me now. I mean, I literally dropped the gear and disappeared, like you said, like the youngsters say. It's insane. This car is just absolutely insane on the Autobahn. Oh, what a beautiful place this is. It's so beautiful. Look at that view. Wow, come on. Shitty A-Class, but let's not be disturbed by the A-Class. Look at that. What a wonderful, fantastic weather it is. Love it. Beautiful. God, I'm here. I'm here. I remember this. This is it. This is the ring. Look at that. Yes, sir. Very nice. People already there. Cool. Very good. Happy to arrive. But isn't there a fucking petrol station somewhere? Then I have to give this car a wash. I mean, look at that. Again, 53 kilometers. It's so bad with the fuel consumption. It's incredible. What did it do actually? 14.1 liters for the last 566 kilometers. Wow, what can I say? The famous petrol station. And as you can see, there's a bunch of beautiful cars like this wonderful 946. 911, and then there got a lot of people, man. I thought the track was closed. M6 consuming as always. Nothing special to see here, man. Super plus. Friends, we are arriving. I swear to God, this is literally a dream come true for me to drive on the Nürburgring, man. I can't wait. Wow. Very nice, guys. And we're directly on the ring, man. I booked the hotel right on the ring. Where is it? Dorint on the ring. Let's drive a little bit. There it is. But let's drive a little bit more forward just to see what's going on here. Because I see a bunch of crazy cars, bunch of people, bunch of trailers. Very nice. Bunch of car spotters. So many people, man. Come on, I thought the ring was closed. Nice M4 there. I think it's not a GTS, they just put a spoiler on. Then we have this F-Type, very cool, very nice. F-Type R, M4, very good. Oh, look at that. Fahrerlager paddock. Tja. This is the famous thing here. Nürburgring, it says Nürburgring big on the side. Let me show you just a quick walk around of the hotel, because I choose something very interesting. Look at that. And there it is. That's actually the GP track. So very cool. Very nice. Can't wait to do all of this stuff, man. Quick shots from the parking lot. Here's a Cayenne Turbo GT M235. More interesting things are, of course, the Porsches there. Very beautiful. And the mighty M6 coming, right? My friends, just walking around here in this village, Nürburg village, basically Nürburg, which is, the whole thing is just constructed for people to drive on the Nürburgring. It's insane. Everybody here is a petrol head. I mean, of course, the BMW test center. And I noticed that everybody here has a race car somehow. They have like thousands of trailers with cars. I'll show you that tomorrow when we have a little bit of better light. And so many talented people. While I can't say that I'm certainly not the best driver here, I will be the best dressed one. And yes, I will go on the track like this. You'll never catch me slacking. Everywhere pearls like this, everywhere the eye looks. What a wonderful thing. And this is the Urmodel, man. Look at it. Prepared to lap to track 3.8. Holy shit. Now that's definitely something special. And there sits another one. Look at that sneaky little guy. It's like a dream come true to be here, really. I mean, how do those people live here with all that noise, right? But it's still, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful, and I love to be here. I think it's safe to say that those guys love renting out Toyotas, especially because they took the engine from this, put it in there, well, basically Toyota itself, and they just made a little bit tweaks so that works a little bit better, like the fuel pump. So friends, it's the next day. This is just the vlog, so we're doing a separate video of the whole experience with a little bit more high quality, right? But I can tell you this, we're at the Nürburgring with the BMW M6, and no, I'm not driving the M6, right? I'm not doing this because insurance reasons, and I love the car, right? But I'll turn around so you can see what I mean, because we're here with them, track speed, and we have Misha today as a coach, right? He's going to coach me and he's going to drive with me. So make sure you check out the other video, and we will drive this beautiful Hyundai i30N. Why? Because it is my first lap. It has 280 horsepower, 2-liter, 392 Newton meters of torque. It's a good car. It is focused for the ring, and they did like an 8 minutes and 5 seconds with it on the ring, basically as a track test. So I'm going to drive a little bit of a slower car today, so I get used to the track. I'm not acting like, you know, I have thousands of kilometers on the sim. Yes, I have it, but I never experienced it. So first time with the E30N, great car. I didn't want to take a Golf because of, I don't know. I thought, you know what, let's give this car a chance because I never drove it, and it's going to be beautiful. And then next time we're progressing to whatever they have to offer in the showroom, and I'll show you the showroom right now. Here we are, track speed, come on. So as I mentioned, Mr. Sharuddin, right?
Hello.
The owners, hello. And those are those beautiful cars, right?
Yeah, very beautiful. But
Absolutely.
Since you're already scared of the V10, I thought you're gonna be scared of a flat 6. So you're gonna drive the i30.
Who said I'm scared? I'm not scared, man.
The next trip, so you start with something small, but
Exactly.
come and you try like a Porsche.
100%. But I think it's, you know, I just want to be the voice of reason here, because all of you are crazy. I'm driving a normal car today, so I don't die, right?
You're doing the right thing for your first laps. This is exactly the way to go. Small car, learn the track.
Fantastic.
But no one is complete up until they driven a GT3 at the ring. So he can tell you.
Yeah.
Even if it's not like 100%, you see why these cars have been developed here.
Yeah, absolutely.
You hear that car going through the gears.
You know, don't. I feel bad now.
Hyundai also
No.
developed at the way.
You're gonna love it.
I believe you, and I mean, it's beautiful. You know, my followers know that I had an M2. That's why I don't want to drive it on the ring. And if I would choose one car to drive, I'd probably take this one, the 997 with the Metzger engine, 3.6, right? Very beautiful.
We have a couple of special 997 projects for
Yeah?
this car. We're preparing something, so if you really like 997s, I would say watch this space. We're gonna make a few cool things.
Well, I think I'll visit another time. It's time to drive, right?
Let's do this.
Coach, please let me live.
That's
Okay.
a good idea. I want to come
He's
back.
gonna take care of that.
All right. See you later then.
Lots of driver excuses. You ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go.
Oh my God! We scratched.
Woohoo! Some drift.
Yeah, damn it.
Go to. Woohoo! The back really likes
Should
to
have left
dance.
the ESP on.
Yeah, I actually never drove it with ESP fully off.
Thanks for trying that on me, man.
Ah, you're welcome, man. Anytime.
We're literally keeping up with a fucking GT3 RS. You're crazy as hell.
Ah, just a bit. You see?
Oh my god!
Yeah, then we would have dropped the tire pressures a bit. then maybe we would have gone a bit faster.
I feel kind of high somehow. Yeah.
That's a good thing then.
Alright friends, I just did the video with Misha. We just did the lap with this Hyundai i30N. Hey man, let me tell you this. He actually complimented my driving, which makes me really happy. Check out the videos that we're posting on the full experience. But there's really levels to it, man. And seeing him move this car and actually driving it as fast as he did is really fascinating. I mean, he really knows his shit, and it's an incredible experience. I just kind of get out so we can fill the car up, right? But it's really insane, man. It's incredible. It's incredible how good he can drive those cars, man. It's really insane. And for me, it was my first experience. The Nordschleife is really, it's intense. It's insane. It's really insane.